This is just a quick clip if any of you have any doubts of whether my garden made it or not. This greenhouse absolutely saved my young plants.
Morning, wild and wonderful. This is a very, very quick video because I messed up. As you know by now, the garden's in the ground, it's planted, and the weather has been awful. First day I got cooked by the sun, everything turned white. The second day, we had massive thunderstorms. So I've been like makeshift covering it up and everything like that. Long story short, the weather's been bad. It's been beating up my plants. Broke some of my beans in half. It fried the leaves on my cucumbers and tomatoes. So I've had to take drastic measures. So what I basically did is I created we're about halfway done. So this was part of my makeshift. It protected it somewhat. These plants look like they're bouncing back. They look a lot better than they did. So I'm okay with that. This is kind of what has happened. They just absolutely got fried. And you can see the soil is moist and stuff like that. So it's like, I've been watering them. It's been rough to say the least. So anyway, what we're doing now is these are 4-foot fence stakes. They're like $3 a piece. I only bought 6 because I had a different plan in mind. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to get 2 more of these, and this is my 1/2-inch pipe. All I did was drill a simple hole, the same size that's in the fence right here, and I zip tied it. Now, as you can see, that moves. In wind with plastic on it, that's probably gonna fall over. So what I'm gonna do is when I get my 2 other ones, we're going to run basically a link. I've got a 10-footer left over here. So that should be long enough to link the 4 of them together to prevent any lateral movement. And if need be, I will anchor it on the end, just to keep it from moving as a unit. But that's where we're at on the garden. I'm really sorry I haven't been filming much on this, but like I said, I've been crazy busy. So that's the plan. On second thought, what Ben Franklin always says is don't put off until tomorrow what you can get done today. So I went back to the store, got 2 more stakes. We are going to install them just like these. And I got an end post that's a little bit taller, so it'll reach to the top of here. We also built this fence. So we overlapped 2 pieces of lattice to make it denser and allow less wind to pass through. Our plastic will be tucked back there, and then it'll drape over this. So we should be completely covered and honestly be able to work in the garden, being that I can kneel under the center height of these 2 pipes right now. That's the plan. Here it goes. I've got all our rungs set up. Last one is a little straight. That one was unused previously in the garden, so it doesn't have any arc to it, but after the day in the sun, it'll bend up nice. So now we're gonna run our center run, and I'm gonna put a stake right here at the end of it, just so that it doesn't wanna move front to back at all. The run will hold all the stakes together, and then we just need to support that middle run from moving this way. That's what we're gonna do now. Alright, so what we're doing now is we're drilling a hole. One side of each pipe is going to connect to the green post on the other end. So we need holes all the way through on one end of each pipe. we've got our rungs all lashed together. I ended up taking this end post down a little bit. Fence is up, so now we're going to drape plastic. Basically, we're going to tuck it back behind our little fence. I've got 2x4s that I'm going to use to hold that down, pressure treated, won't rot. And then we're going to come across, and then we'll use 2x4s on the same side. So we should have essentially a greenhouse. You see how that works, y'all? I'll start filming a video for you and you motivate me to just finish the whole project. So hopefully our plants turn around, bounce back, and provide us with some delicious vegetables all summer long. Quick little DIY project. Any questions you have, I know it's not really like an in-depth on how to or anything like that. Any questions you have, just comment below. I'm no expert by any means. But that's it for today. I'm going fishing. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Go after what you want and never quit. I just want to show you guys how nice this turned out. Use this to secure it. Just lifted up these 2 rocks and I'm getting ready to do my morning water. See, I got plenty of room I can fit in there. So there's a little function test of our DIY greenhouse.